Hi guys, my name is Alpha. I'm a pharmacist and a Forex trader. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my story, how I started out trading, and then I'm also going to talk to you guys about Forex psychology. So guys, I started trading in 2020, like properly. I knew about trading, about Forex in 2018. That time I was in my final year in the university. That was the first time I heard about Forex trading. Then 2019, I started reading about Forex, watching a few videos. Towards the end of 2019, I started watching, getting more serious, watching a few videos, reading about it on bbpeeps.com and all of that. Then I started demo trading as well. I remember towards the end of 2019, I bought a course from my mentor, that's Pastor Ejimi Adigbe Olufukeji. I bought a course from him then. It was on a discount. I bought it for him 25k as of 2019. That was the first course I bought. Started demo trading. Then 2020, February 2020, like first week of February, after I got my salary, my January salary, I funded my account with $100 on February. That's first week of February. And that was when my journey into the world of Forex started properly. You never really start until you fund your first account and blew it. Because I eventually blew it within the first week of funding that account. So that was like when I started to experience what trading, what Forex is really like. That was when the pain started. That was when like the agony of trading, because trust me, there's a lot of pain involved in trading, especially when you're a beginner. You don't really know what you're doing, right? So now fast forward to today. This is 2023, December of 2023. So by February next year, I'll be 4 years in trading, 4 years trading the Forex market. Believe me, I will say that Forex is one of the most difficult things you can learn or do. It's one of like the most difficult career or profession you can involve yourself in, because it's so difficult to master the act of trading. Because why is it that difficult? It's because you need to master your own self. Trading is mastering yourself, and it's not easy to master yourself, because everything you've learned, everything you've understood, you like kind of go against all of those things in trading. If you're somebody that is not patient, you're somebody that wants like the reward immediately, you cannot succeed in trading. You need to unlearn all of those things and force yourself to like perform or behave in a certain way that can only benefit your trades. So that's what makes trading so difficult. So guys, I want to talk to you guys about trading psychology. Now, to be honest, this is almost 4 years of me trading. I will not tell you that I have gained the level of consistency that I want to gain. There are some people that they start trading and in 6 months, 1 year, they are so like profitable. They are consistently profitable. They make a lot of money consistently. There are others that stay as long as 3, 4, even 5, 6 years before they gain that consistency. And the thing about Forex is that once somebody is consistently profitable, you get to know, because you will see that the lifestyle has changed, and it shows. It doesn't hide. That's just it. Even though there are some people that they just make money off selling courses, selling signals that don't even work, and other stuffs. Then they now claim that they are making money from Forex. But trust me, when you see somebody that is genuinely consistently making money from Forex, it shows. You just get to know. So as for me, I will not say that I've gained that level of consistency that I want yet. No. But there are times that you see the consistency for a period of time, then you go back into the trenches whereby you're going up and down, you get. Then there are times you make a lot of money, there are times you lose a lot of money. So it's more like, still I'm not yet there. I won't say I'm there yet. I'm not yet there. So that is where I am currently in my Forex journey. I'm at that point where I'm almost breaking out and getting consistently profitable. Because the thing is, what makes Forex so difficult is Forex psychology. You can learn Forex basics, you can learn all the theory, you can read and watch all that you need to know. But knowing all you need to know doesn't make you profitable, because you can know everything, but still you still mess up. And that is where Forex psychology comes into place. Because if you are not able to master yourself, you will not be able to execute and carry out those things you know you're supposed to do. You won't have the patience, the discipline to do the right thing. And at the end of the day, you're still going around in circle, in circle, in circle. So let's talk about forex psychology. Like, so far, all the things you heard about forex psychology, until you like bend down, you force yourself to actually do those things. You will hear, be patient, remove fear, remove greed from your trading, and all of those things. And it already sounds like cliche. Every day you hear it. And you're trying your best, yes, but trust me, you're not trying your best enough. Because if you were trying your best, your very best, it will have clicked for you. It will have worked out. If there's nothing in this world that you give it your best and you don't succeed in it. So as far as you've remained in trading and you've decided that okay, this is where I'm going to be, and you've given it like your whole effort and time, if you give it your like whole best, you will succeed in it. So when they say be patient, patient is more than what you just think. You feel okay, let me wait for this setup. Patience is like a lifelong thing. You're patient on your setup, you're patient on the trade, you're patient on everything. When is it be discipline? You just think, oh, discipline. Like, let me tell you what is happening to me right now. I notice that when I place a trade, I'm expecting the trade to play out immediately. If the trade stays for like a day without playing out, I get impatient. By the next day, I'll look at the chart, and before you know it, I've modified it, I've changed something, or like some of the times when the trade is going against me, it has almost reached my SL. I feel like, oh, this is going to hit myself, and I'll close. Then after I close the trade doesn't go to my SL. It now comes back and goes into profit. You get? So once you have placed your trade, it takes a lot of discipline and emotional control for you to allow it to do what it's supposed to do. Now, one thing I realized is I've decided that when I place a trade and I see that the trade is taking too long, I'm not going to look at my phone until after a certain amount of time. Like, I will not look at my phone until the next day. When the next day I open my phone and the trade has not hit SL or TP, I'll close my phone. I'm not going to look at it again until that trade has like materialized, until that trade has finished playing out. Now, it's very difficult to do this, and I just said it's extremely difficult. But then that's part of the discipline. Whatever works for you, whatever you know will work for you, do it. Like, I've lost a lot of trades, I've lost a lot of evaluation accounts simply by just looking at my phone. And then when you're looking at your phone, ideas now come into your head. You get a lot of ideas, and then boom, you mess your trades up. You mess your trades up. And then at the end of the day, you realize that if only you didn't touch that trade, it will have ended in profit, or you wouldn't have lost as much as you lost. Because you closing the trade now, you get emotional, and then you open more trades, and at the end of the day, you are supposed to lose maybe 1%, you're losing 3%. You get? So on my end, in this forex game, the most difficult part of it is your psychology. And all I'm going to tell you is that give it your very best, like your best, your all. Like, we die here, we die here. Just say, think of it this way: the only thing stopping you from becoming profitable, the only thing stopping you from buying that Benz, is you unable to control yourself. So if it will take you not to open your phone for the next 24 hours and allow that trade to play out, why not do it? And if that's what it will take for you to break this circle of going round and round, this day you're up, tomorrow you're down, if that's what it's going to take you to break that circle and become disciplined and profitable consistently, then do it. So whatever it will take, whatever it will take. And one secret to go about it is that always think about it in your mind. Like, always think about that thing you want to do in your mind. Like, occupy your mind with your trade, with the discipline you want, the action that you want to take to keep you disciplined. Let's say, for instance, now you say you don't want to open your phone to check your chart until 7 p.m. By then, the market is already done. So always think about that. See, I'm going to stay off my phone. I won't open my chart until 7 p.m. Why? Because That is me building my discipline muscle. That is me being disciplined, and that is what will help me to get this consistency I seek. So always like mentally process these things, so that you don't just like act out of impulse. Maybe you're scared of something, like something happens, then you want to check, quickly check. No, when you occupy your mind with this rationale, like this the reasons why you must do what you're supposed to do, it will help make it easier for you to actually do it. And before you know it, the time is gone, and you check and you see that, oh, the trade hit TP, or oh, it hit SL, but that day is gone. You didn't mess it up, you didn't mess any other thing. The next day is a fresh day. You look for another setup and you repeat the same thing until after a period of like 1 month, you now check out to see your consistency. You check out and you see that actually there has been consistency. And another thing is you can occupy your mind with different things, you know, with different things. Maybe you go play game, or you go watch a movie, or anything that can keep your mind occupied and take your mind off the chat. So in a nutshell, I didn't really say much, to be honest. I didn't say much about forex psychology. I didn't talk about fear, this one. The only thing I told you right now is that all of that thing you've been hearing, discipline, patience, blah blah, you must give it your best and actually do it. Like, you must do it. That's the only way you will succeed. And how you do it is that you think about it all times and plan how you actually carry it out. If not, trust me, you will keep going in circles. It doesn't matter how long. It doesn't matter if you've been trading for 6 years. But I personally know somebody that has been trading for 10 years. In fact, more than 10 years. Was it 2012 he told me, or so, or 2010? That's more than 10 years. So I personally know somebody that has been trading for more than 10 years and he's still not successful. So it doesn't matter how long the time is. What matters the most is the amount of effort you put into it, is the amount of grind, the amount of seriousness you dedicate into it. That's what matters. So for every trader out there hustling and grinding, my advice will be that you just keep going, keep doing that thing. Don't um, don't be distracted. Don't look at what others are doing. Focus on yourself. It's always you versus you. Focus on yourself and do it. Focus on yourself and stick to your plan for your life, for yourself, for a certain amount of time. And before you know it, the consistency will show. Before you know it, the consistency will show. This video is not like a fancy video. I don't have a fancy background here, but I'm just talking from my heart, from somebody that has been trading for over 4 years right now and has passed through all of this, and I'm still passing through them. So I just hope this was helpful. I hope if you were able to stick to this video till the end, I hope you got something from this. So cheers guys, and see you guys in another one.